Good morning, children. In the last class, I am explaining subtractions. What are subtractions? Subtractions are nothing but finding the difference, finding the leftover number, and when we take away something, if you want to calculate the remaining, we have to subtract. Using the subtractions only, we will find the remaining numbers or quantity or the money. Okay. Suppose one example. Once you see how many balls are there in this bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 balls in the bowl. In this ball there are 6 balls. In this ball there are 6 balls. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. I taken away 2 balls. I taken away 2 balls and I given to someone. Okay. I taken away 2 balls. How many balls are there? There are 4 balls remain in the basket. How many balls are there? There are 4 balls. Totally how many balls are there in the basket? There are 6 balls. How many balls I taken away? 2 balls I taken away. How many balls are left? 1, 2, 3 balls are there. There are 4 balls in the basket. Okay, what I did here? I want to find the remaining balls in the basket. Okay, using the subtraction, I can find the left balls in the bowl. Okay, how can I find the remaining balls? Using the subtraction, I can find the remaining balls. Totally there are 6 balls. 2 balls are taken away. 2 balls are taken away and I given to one boy. Okay. How many balls are there in the basket? There are 4 balls. 4 balls. To know these numbers, I use the subtraction. Using the subtraction only, we can find the remaining things. And see one more example here. Now count how many crayons are here or color pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you are having 10 pencils in your color box, you give 3 of these pencils to your friend. 3 pencils you given to your friend. Just I am striking off because you given to your friend. Okay. These 3 you given to your friend. Okay. See. These 3 you given to your friend. Then how many left with you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left in your box. See how we can write this. There are 10 balls. First we write how many pens, colored pencil we are having. The total quantity first we will write. Minus. This we read. This is the symbol for the subtraction. This we read as minus. And the second number. What is the second number here? 3. What is this 3? The 3 is the color pencils which you given to your friend. These 3 color pencils you given to your friend. That means you taken away 3 pencils from these quantity. Understand, children? So the remaining, what we have to do? We have to subtract. When you take away some quantity from another quantity, to find the remaining quantity, or to find the difference, we have to subtract. Using the subtraction, we can find the difference. Here very small number, 10 is a very small number, so easily we can count the leftover. When you go to the bigger numbers, it is not possible to count. So that time we will use the subtraction. Here also I am using subtraction. See, number of color pens, crayons 10. You gave 3 to your friend. 7 are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This we read as 10 minus 3 equals to 7. 7 is the answer. This answer is called the difference. This is the difference. This answer is called the difference. To find these difference only, we use the subtractions. To find the difference, we use the subtractions. Okay. Already in last class I told you we will do the subtraction using our fingers. For every time it is not possible for drawing or writing the pictures and to count. But normally we will using our fingers we will do the subtraction. See, first one, this is the same subtraction how we will do with the fingers. I will show you. 10 minus 3. Okay, this is the total quantity. The color pencils which you are having in your box. That number, the second number is 3. This is the color pencils you given to your friend. Okay, we have taken away 3 color pens from the total quantity. Are you understand, children? Now we have to find how many color pencils are left in your box. That difference we have to find. Okay, children. Now we will find the answers using the finger. What is the first number? The total quantity, that is 10. First we will take out 10 fingers. We are having 10 fingers. Okay. For one hand we are having 5. Another hand we are having 5. Total we are having 10 fingers. The first number is 10. We use the first number to take out the fingers. First number we used to take out the fingers. So first number is 10. That's why I taken out 10 fingers. Do you understand? Next, how many color pencils you given to your friends? You given 3 color pencils. The 3 you taken away from the total. So we will close 3 fingers. We will close 3 fingers because we are taken away 3 from the total amount. Okay. So you think these 10 are the color pencils. You given 3. So close 3 fingers. Always close the fingers from this finger. Understand, children? From the thumb you start closing. Don't begin from this last finger. Okay. From thumb we have to close the fingers. 1, 2 and 3. How many fingers we close? 3 fingers. Now count how many fingers are left. We know one hand is having 5 fingers. 5, 6 and 7. What is the answer we got? When we counted the remaining color pencils, we got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we use our fingers, we get the same answer only. Okay. Try to do the subtractions using the fingers. Okay, one more. 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4. Come on, take out 9 fingers. Take out 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Directly we can take out 5. Take out 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are 9 fingers. Why? Because the first number is 9. Take out 9 fingers and close. How many fingers you have to subtract or take away from 9? Yes. The second number is 4. We have to take away 4 from 9. So close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We subtracted 4 from 9. Understand? How many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need to count. Each hand is having 5 fingers that we know. What is the answer here? 5. We can call it as difference also. But the difference between 9 and 4. 5 is the difference. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Understand, children? 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. This we wrote horizontally. we can write this problem in the vertical model also. Okay. How we will write that one? See. 9. The same numbers I am taking. 9. Beside compulsory we have to write the sign. What is the sign of the subtraction? Minus. We call this sign as minus. Minus. And write the second number. What is the second number? 4. What is the second number? 4. Okay, read this one. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Here we write horizontally. Here we wrote vertically. Understand? 9 minus 4. As usual, how we did here, the same process we will follow here also. Take out 9 fingers, cut out 4 fingers, and you will get the answer. Okay, another example I am going to write 9 minus 1. Sorry, 8 minus 1. First number we used to take out the fingers. What is the first number? 8 is the first number. Take out 8 fingers. 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are 8 fingers. How many fingers we have to subtract? Only 1. We have to subtract 1. One finger I close. One finger. Remaining fingers we have to count. 5, 6 and 7. You subtract 1 from 8, you get 7. If you subtract 1 from 8, you get 7. Come on, children, tell me, if I change the numbers, what will happen? Okay. First, I am taking the second number as the first number. First, I will take 1. Okay. What is the first number here? Is 8 minus 8. Come on. Can we do the subtraction here? Is it possible to subtract 8 from 1? Why it is not possible? Come on, tell me. Already I showed you the balls here. In the ball there are 6 balls. Okay, 6 balls. If your friend asks you 8 balls, is it possible to give 8 balls to your friend? Can you give 8 balls? No. How many balls you can? You can give 1 ball. If he asks 2, you can 3, 4, 5. If he asked all the 6 balls, that time also you can give all the 6 balls also. But if he asked more than 6, can you give him? It is not possible because you are having only 6 balls with you. If he asked more than what you are having, it is not possible to give. We are having only 6. If he asks less than 6 or 6, we can. If he asks more than 6, it is not possible to give. It is not possible to take away. Okay. So, here, suppose I am having only 1 ball. Think I am having only 1 ball. Or you are having only 1 ball. If your friend asks 8 balls to give, is it possible? Can you give 8 balls? No, because you are having only 1. Understand? Subtraction is nothing but take away or giving something or using. What we can use, what we are having, that we can use. How many we are having, that number we can give. More than that we cannot give to others or we cannot take away. Here also like that only. If I am having only 1, how can I give 8? So from this what we can understand? In the numbers, 1 is a small number and 8 is a bigger number. 8 comes after 1. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 8 will come. 8 is bigger than 1. So, it is not possible to subtract a big number from small number. That you have to keep in the mind. Always the subtraction is possible when we can subtract a small number from the big number. We cannot subtract a big number from the small number. One more also. If I am having 1, if I am having 1 only. 8 is not possible to give. Here subtraction is not possible. If anybody asks you 1 ball, is it possible to give? Yes, you can give because you are having 1. It is not possible to give 8 or 5 or 4 or 3. But you can give 1 ball which you are having. You are having only 1 ball that you can give to your friend. Then how many left with you? You are having only 1. If your friend asks 8, you refuse that you are not having. If he is asked the 1 ball which you are having, can you give that 1 ball? Yes, it is possible to give 1 ball. So, from this 1 minus 1, I am having only 1 ball. I given that 1 ball to my friend or you given to your friend. So, how many balls you are having? You are not having any ball. So, you are having 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Take 1 finger, cut off 1 finger. 1 minus 1, 0. From these two, what we can say? We can from these 3 also. Not 2, from these 3. One is we can subtract a small number from the big number or the same number. The same number also we can subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. Take out 5 fingers, cut off 5 fingers. We can subtract same number. And like 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. We can subtract a number from the same number and we can subtract small number from the big number. Okay, we can subtract small number from the big number. 8 minus 3, 5. If you subtract 9 minus 6, 9 from 6, you get 3. If you subtract 2 from 7, you get 5. Take out 7 fingers, cut off 2 fingers, you get 5. In these two cases, we can do the subtraction. We can subtract a number from the same number. We can subtract a small number from the big number. And we can subtract 0 also from any number. 0 means nothing. There is no need to give or there is no need to take away anything. So, we can subtract 0 from any number. Come on, what is the answer if you subtract 0 from any number? Not only 6. 7 minus 0 or 4 minus 0 or 1 minus 0. 0. The second number, what we are writing, what we taken away or what we are giving, that is the second number. Here 0 means we are not taken away from the total quantity. There are 6 balls or 6 chocolates. If you give it to your friend 0, that means you are not given anything. 0 means you are not given anything to others or we are not taken away from total quantity. That time the total remains same only. But why the total remains same? Because we are not taken out anything from the total quantity. 6 minus 6, 6 minus 0, 6 only. Take out 6 fingers, cut off 0 fingers. 0 fingers means no fingers, no need to cut off any fingers. There is no value for 0. 0 means nothing. Okay. Then the 6 fingers remain 6 only because we are not cut off any fingers. We have to cut off 0. We have to subtract 0. 0 means nothing. There is no value for 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 0, 7. Minus 0 means nothing. There is no value. We are not taking anything. Okay. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. If you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. If you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. Once you observe all these sum up, okay, subtraction is nothing but finding the difference or finding the leftover quantity of things or persons. Okay. See all these three models you observe. We can subtract any small number from big number. That is one situation, and another one is we can subtract a number from the same number. We can subtract a number from the same number, and we can subtract 0 from any number. We can subtract 0 from any number. Okay, we get the same number because 0 means we are not taking out anything. We are not giving anything. So the total quantity remains same only. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 0, 4. Or 8 minus 0, 8. When I asked you 1 minus 8, here I don't. Because it is not possible, because we cannot subtract a big number from small number. Already I told you. Not only this. 2 minus 7. No, here is also not possible because 2 is small number and 7 is big number. See, 0 minus 4. Is it possible to subtract any number from 0? No, because already I told you 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Once you see my hands, only one chalk piece I am having in my hand. If anybody came, suddenly if he asks me chocolates, can I give? No, because I am not having. How many chocolates I am having in my hands? I am having 0 chocolates because I am not having any chocolates in my hands. Can I give chocolate? Even one chocolate also I cannot give because I am not having any. I am having 0 chocolates in my hands. That's why we cannot subtract any number from 0. 0 minus 4? No, it is not possible. 0 minus 2? Not possible. 0 minus 3? It is also not possible. We cannot subtract any number from 0. Are you understand, children? This is quite opposite for the addition. In the addition, we can add any number to 0 or any number to or 0 to any number. That time we are getting the same number. But here only one is possible. We can subtract 0 from any number. That time we are getting the same number. But it is not possible to subtract any number from 0. It is not possible in the subtraction. We cannot subtract any number from 0. We can subtract 0 from any number, but any number from 0 is not possible. Like that, bigger number we cannot subtract from the smaller number. That's why in the subtractions, always we will write the big number first and the smallest number as second. Always we have to write the big number first and the small number as the second number. That time only subtraction is possible. Are you understand, children? In the next class we will learn 2 number subtractions also. Thank you.